alarm bells about monkeypox for weeks now. That would be Dr. Monica Gandhi, an infectious disease physician at UC San Francisco. Of course, no stranger to this program. Dr. Monica Gandhi, welcome.
Thank you.
So you have been treating monkeypox patients in your own clinic, seeing a lot of these cases come up and seeing the toll that this is taking on folks that we've been discussing so far in this program. You also wrote in late June that the country is not taking this outbreak seriously enough. So bridge that gap for us and our listeners. What are you seeing in your clinic that is giving you such a sense of urgency that perhaps has been lacking in the rest of the country?
So yes, I actually traveling in India, and I came back to my clinic and I realized how much it has been affecting the clinic. So I am the medical director of Ward 86, which is a large HIV clinic in the city of San Francisco. It's at San Francisco General Hospital, so it's the publicly insured clinic of the city with 2,600 patients, and 70% are either gay men or transgender women. That is the population at risk. And we have a very high number of monkeypox cases, after probably the second highest after the city clinic in the city, which is the STD clinic. So a lot of monkeypox, a lot of people coming in very uncomfortable, a lot of lesions, a lot of testing that needs to be done, and we don't have enough vaccine to cover everyone who's at risk in our clinic, which would be essentially 70% of our population, and that's been very frustrating.
One of the steps that you had been advocating for, Dr. Gandhi, was to spread out the administration of the two-dose regime of the monkeypox vaccine. We've also heard from federal health officials that they're considering an approach that would get 5 doses out of